Thinking about cutting some nails or screws? Well, in this video, we're going to be not just cutting 1 nail, 2 nails, 5 nails, or even 10 nails, but 1,000 nails. Stay tuned in. You don't want to miss any part of this video. Now we're going to start off by using a typical oscillating tool blade that you'll normally find in stores, just your regular original oscillating tool blade. But before using an oscillating tool, make sure to protect your eyes and use safety glasses. These are impact and scratch resistant, also for indoor-outdoor use. Make sure that you have safety glasses to protect yourself, and then also gloves so you can better protect yourself again. Now, as you can see, your regular oscillating tool blade was barely able to cut through 1 nail, and after that, it was basically destroyed. Now, at that rate, you would have to get 1,000 blades to get this cut. Now, that is just not practical. That's where we're going to use this high-strength carbide oscillating tool blade to finish the job. Now, when doing this type of project, make sure to not go pedal to the metal and to ease off the gas a little bit and maybe even lower the speed setting on your oscillating tool, just so you can prevent overheating with your oscillating tool and also preserve the life of the blade. Wow, after cutting all those nails, all the teeth on this blade is still intact. As mentioned in past videos, this same exact blade could also cut through fiber cement siding trim, steel sheetrock screws, concrete screws, and wood. If you want it, check it out in the link down below.